You're gonna be so pretty, I can't even stand it. Hey, summer hens. Welcome back. And if this is your first time here, welcome. I am Naomi, and this is Summer Hen Beauty, where we talk about beauty for people who are not spring chickens anymore, but they still want to be gorgeous. Today, we are looking at the very best overnight lip treatments. Do you remember your lips like the way they used to be? Yeah, what happened? I'll tell you what happened. Age and vice. Time and terrible decisions. But are we going to let that stop us? Summer Hen says, no, we are not. So today we are going to look at 3 great products that turn back the hands of time while we sleep so we can be returned to the pillowy kisses of our youth. Are you ready? Let's roll. Now I'm going to give you 3 products that you can use. But stay tuned through to the very end, because I'm also going to give you a solution that does exactly the same thing that requires no money and purchasing nothing. So, if your lips want a little present, you know, they've been good this year, they need a little bit of a treat, buy one of these babies, they're awesome, I like all of them. But if you want to DIY it and use random household goods that you have laying around your house, we've got a solution for that too, okay? So, stay watching. Number 1. This little baby right here. This is Laneige Special Care Lip Sleeping Mask for all skin. Presumably it means all lip skin. Okay? This is officially a mask. Now, I was going to do the thing that I do where I write down what this says on the back because I can't read it because it's so freaking small. But it would be too many words, so we're going to try it. You ready? Oh my goodness. Wake up to... this is crazy small. Like, this is just silliness. Alright. Wake up to baby soft lips. This, refreshing maybe, berry diffused overnight mask is enriched with berry mix complex and vitamin C and leaves your lips soft and smooth. Okay. Putting it on is a lot easier than reading it. This is really cool, and it comes with a little, like, spatula for your lips that comes in its own, like pillowcase, which I thought was pretty neat. I really, really enjoyed this. However, I have not had insomnia since I was a kid, and the 2 nights that I tried this, I couldn't sleep because of the scent. It's really, really nice, but it's really, really strong. It smells like strawberry Hubba Bubba. Okay, so if you don't have a nose that's as sensitive as mine, maybe that's good. Maybe if you like strawberry Hubba Bubba and you want to have strawberry Hubba Bubba scented dreams, that would be cool. So I have taken to wearing this in the day now, okay? So when I'm not destroying my lips with various lip products, you know, for you, I do it for you, I wear this during the day. This is very cool, and it comes with a cool spatula that has a pillowcase. That's pretty great. That's number 1. Number 2, we have sugar. I love sugar. I love sugar, I love sugar, sugar, I love you, I love you. If sugar was a person, I would marry them. This is Dream Advanced Therapy. Somewhere in the packaging for this, it said something about 24-hour moisture. I don't know if they're saying that it provides moisture for 24 hours or that it stays on your lips for 24 hours, because that's weird. Okay, this I love for a handful of reasons. 1, like all of the sugar products, you have to twist it off, which means the lid is not going to come off and experience some kind of misfortune due to your children, your pets, or your inability to put it in your purse properly. Ask me how I know. Okay, that's really cool. This is secure and solid. That's number 1. It's also in a metal container, which I really like. I love the smell, obviously, and I love that it's a sheer pink. So for whatever reason, it really kind of makes me happy to wake up in the morning with already pink lips. I just feel very glamorous, so I dig that. And yeah, the smell is out of this world. Okay, so if you're a sugar fan during the daytime, you can also be a sugar fan at night as well. Very cool. Next. Not technically a treatment, but I use it as a treatment. Look at this little beauty right here. This is, I had to write it down because it's not on the package anywhere. It comes in a box, which I think also might have like a pillowcase or something. This is Tatcha's Camellia Gold Spun Lip Balm. It's got gold in it, because of course it does. Okay, I don't know if you can see this. I'm going to try bringing it up to the camera and see if you can see all those little things. That's gold. Real gold, baby. I kind of thought that I might get gold on my lips, but that hasn't happened yet, and I use this a lot. So, I just feel like a geisha when I wear it. I just feel like I'm kind of in Japan, and there's cherry blossoms, and I'm wearing a really pretty dress, and there's gold on my lips. That's how I feel when I wear this, okay? It sort of treats. It treats. I wake up soft. I wake up plumper, but it doesn't have any of those in the official things that it does. It's just an awesome lip balm that I like to wear at night. Okay, I said 3, but I'm going to give you a 4th because I just can't stop myself. Okay, everybody knows how I feel about Sol de Janeiro, all right? I love these guys. I have the entire line. This is their lip. It's a Brazilian kiss. I think this is super cool. Someday I will do an in-depth review, and if by review here, I mean an ode or like an epic poem, telling how much I love this, okay? This has that word I can't say, Cupuaçu. Cupuaçu? I don't know. It's kind of neat. It's really thick. It's like a glue stick for your lips, okay? Some people online really like that. I'm not really sure why that's a value. I don't know why we would need that. That's a big lip that we would be dealing with there, but okay, cool. But because of which, just so you know, there's the same amount of product as there is in a regular like lip balm or chapstick. It's just bigger, so just bear that in mind. So if you're like, I got screwed, no you didn't. It's just bigger. This smells like candy corn. Like the actual corn, not like the candies, like corn with candy on it. It is an incredibly strong scent, which I happen to love. And unlike, for whatever reason, the Laneige, that one kind of kept me up because of the smell. This one, I just sort of fall asleep dreaming that I'm at a carnival. So it's pretty amazing. It's not officially a treatment. It's just a balm. It just does balmy things. It's a butter. It's a butter, it says. Yeah. But I really like it. But if you can't stand the smell, not like you can't stand it, because who can't stand the smell? It's amazing. But it might be difficult to sleep, or you might dream of being at carnivals. That could be a good thing or a bad thing, depending on how you look at it. Okay. Now, I told you I was going to give you an option that didn't involve buying anything, because these are amazing, and your lips are wonderful, and they do deserve the very best. But you might decide that they deserve the very best a little bit later, and in the interim, you would like to take excellent care of your lips. So I'm going to give you 3 steps to awesome lip care for the random crap you have already laying around your house. Number 1, brush them with your toothbrush. You don't need a special lip brush. When you're brushing your teeth, brush, brush, brush. Right? Now I'm going to sing the song from Grease where she's brushing her teeth. Anyway, let's just stop that. And then just give them a little brush. Just the lightest of exfoliation. Don't be mean to them. They're your lips. You only get 1 pair. Okay? So a little bit of an exfoliation with the brush. Okay? Next up, moisturize. Ideally with the thickest, strongest, most hardcore moisturizer you have, facial moisturizer, laying around. Okay? Use your night cream rather than your day cream. But something good and moisturizing, not too much, okay? You want it to soak in like it does to your face. And then when that's had a few moments to just calm down, then after that, put either a chapstick, a lip balm, a Vaseline, any of those kind of things, put those on top to give a protectant layer. And yeah, you're going to wake up and your lips are going to be boss. You're going to be so pretty, I can't even stand it. Okay, summer hens. What's next? Tomorrow, what are we doing tomorrow? I wrote it down. Tomorrow we are going back to our skincare series, and we are going to be talking about Drunk Elephant's what is it called? Hydra Gel. Hydrating Gel. It has pineapple ceramides. You know what those are? Me neither. But we're going to find out tomorrow. It's going to be really cool. And it's a critical part of my skincare routine, so even I will find out what is in it. Exciting. Okay. If you've not yet joined us, our little coop would be so excited to have you. Summer Hen is an awesome place where summer hens just like you can get together and talk beauty and skincare and hair and all of those things. We can still look gorgeous no matter what our age. We've got tons of cool stuff coming up. We've got Thrifty Thursdays. We've got Should I Buy It's that are being submitted by viewer requests. We've got super easy, fast tutorials, all sorts of fun stuff. So if you haven't done so already, click subscribe. Click the bell so you can hang out with us in real time. Okay? Speaking of hanging out, thank you for hanging out with me today. It's been wonderful to have you. I will see you tomorrow, and I hope you have an amazing day.